Hey guys, this is Ryan from Southland RV in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're going to be looking at a new 2025 leisure travel van 24 twin deck. Follow me. So on the outside here, going to have a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This one is a 2025 model and it is a 3500. This coach has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel in it. This is the 2-stage turbo, putting on about 208 horsepower and 332 foot-pounds of torque. Leisure travel van does full ultra leather upholstery inside. Then you'll notice there is a big 10.25 inch touchscreen right there in the center. And this coach does have some updated steering wheel controls for 2025. On the outside here, you'll notice that Leisure Travel Van has also upsized the batteries. They are now installing either one or two 270 amp hour Battleborn GC3H. You will also have a 3000 watt Xantrax inverter. This can run the Truma Aventa AC, which has a soft start in it, off of just battery and inverter alone, but you still have your Cummins Onan 3600 LP generator as a backup. Just above there, you'll find your full pass-through storage, and also the table that is optional, which mounts to these two rails. You're also going to be getting a Ferrari self-supporting bonnet, which does have wind sensing abilities. Then on the other side, you're going to have some storage. Now moving inside the curb, got a fantastic dinette setup here. These two front seats do swivel, and if you need to have some extra sleeping space, there's actually a air mattress kit that you can install for this. This coach is one of the 2 leisure travel vans that have 4 seatbelts in it, so this coach is designed to sleep 4 and seat 4. Looking at the kitchen here, you've got Corian countertops with a little countertop extension on the side, and you've got a ton of room in the overhead storage compartments. Moving to the midsection, that is where you're going to find the dry bathroom, and the shower will be across the wall. This door also doubles as a privacy door. Just swing it all the way open. In the bedroom area, you've got 2 twin beds. You can either just slide these together if you'd like, or you can use the optional mattress inserts. If you use those, it's going to become a king-size bed. Tons of storage in here, got hanging space, and then you have overhead cabinets all the way around. You also have a little bit of storage here built into the step. This coach is also equipped with a Firefly multiplex touchscreen. This is very nice because you can actually connect your phone to it, so you can have all of the same functions that are on this screen on your phone. So you can do everything from leveling to controlling the climate control, all of the lights. You can even keep track of your tanks and what the power system is doing. One of the important features this coach is equipped with is going to be an AGS system, which is a automatic generator start. So that can kick in when your batteries are low, or if you have your HVAC controls set to auto. It will fire up the generator just to run the climate control. Looking in this compartment above the entry door here, that is where you'll have your auxiliary leveling controls. So if you prefer to just use the manual levelers here, you can find that here in this compartment. Next to there will be the AquaGo water heater controls. This coach actually has a on-demand recirculating tankless water heater. It's a bit of a hybrid, as it does have a domestic tank on it, but it actually can start recirculating water once it determines that the ambient temperature goes down to 48 degrees. Next to that's your battery heat switch for the lithium batteries, which those also have a thermostat in them. This will be your Norcold 12-volt fridge. Got tons of space in here, and then you also have a pull-out freezer drawer. This will have adjustable shelving. This is extremely efficient on battery power. Above there, you'll have your convection microwave oven. So you can use this just as a microwave, or you can also use it as an oven or grill. It also has a roast mode. Across the hall from there is going to be your pantry, and then you'll have a ton of storage underneath the sink. Deep drawers with full extension. You'll also find some of the accessories that Leisure Travel Van provides, such as the water filter. since all the water coming into the coach will be filtered. There's a 2-burner stove. You've got a really nice deep round sink. There's also a small waste bin here for things like food prep waste. And then you'll have your TV for the galley on this wall. There will be another TV in the bedroom in case you'd like to lounge back there. Leisure travel van does include a Lagoon swiveling table mount with this. You can set this up in the galley, or you can also set this up using the Lagoon table mount in the bedroom area in case you'd like to lounge back there. Thank you for watching our video. Again, my name is Ryan with Southland RV. We're located on 1794 Bolton Circle in Norcross, Georgia. If you'd like more information on this coach, please reach out to myself or one of our sales associates at Southland.